run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Valley, including Chico.
Well, there you have it, people. That was the last RWT for the year 2018. And still kind of sick, but that's okay. But I'll show you guys Snowy for a second. Snowy thought that it was kind of interesting. Now she's probably thinking, oh my god, that was annoying. I'm just, yeah. Let me fix that ear really quick. Anyways, want to say hi to everybody out there? It's like, no, I'm trying to sleep. Alright, I'll let you go back to sleep then. But yeah, as you call this a successful RWT. This went off, obviously. That one went off. And I'm pretty sure the other ones in the other room went off. But anyways, that's about it. Let's see what 2019 has in store for us.